Hello everyone, good morning. I am Mary Jane Makatumpag, 38 years old from Kalumpang, Naval, Biliran, Philippines. I am married, having one child, 11 years old, and I am college graduate of business administration, and also I am a 6 months caregiving graduate of TESDA. And I am an ex-abroad in Kuwait City last June 2014 up to November 2015. And and now I am planning to go to abroad again as a domestic helper, and I am willing to proceed my 6 months caregiving course as a caregiver in Hong Kong. And as of now, I am currently working as a pharmacy assistant in Rose Pharmacy, Naval, Biliran. Thank you, more power, and God bless.